Hey, what's good, John Luca? How you doing, man? How you doing? All right, looks like I think 5 minutes is enough time. Other people will trickle in as the time goes on, but I don't want to keep waiting too long, Gianluca. I'm gonna be doing a little bit of dev today. I forgot my glass of water. You already know we are dehydrated like a mother trucker today. It's gonna be great. But let me make sure we get everything set up properly. And got the camera focusing on my face, I think. Perfect. Got that going. Let me set the fan up there. Oh yeah, and I saw your notification about your guild. Yeah, sure, I'm down to join your guild. Next time we play, we can get that all set up. I got practice so I stop getting jumped. Let's see, how loud is that? I got the fan in the distance because it's hot as butts right now. And I ain't having none of it. Oh yeah, today we got Pokey and Chill as our music. They let me use their music in my video, so I'm assuming it's okay to use it. Either way, let's get today started. Boop, face cam, I knew that was gonna work. There we go. Boom. What's going on, everybody? My name is Zach. This is Out of No Entertainment, and I hope you're having a fantastic Friday morning, afternoon, evening, or Saturday, depending on what time zone you're in. Thank you for joining me today, and we are going to get started immediately with the game we've been working on over the last couple of days. That's the wrong button. You think I'd learn at this point. What's good, Gianluca? How's the audio balance feeling right now? Too loud? Too quiet? We all good? I forgot how much I love this track. Last time we made a little Pomodoro timer type shenanigan right here, which is pretty exciting. Got this always on top thing. Oh, is it working now? No, I just have it set like that by default. It's a good balance. Good stuff, good stuff. So, we got a little timer going on. We got a little character. We can switch to different parts of the world like this. This little shoot, 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 like that. We might change it. And we have to fix that glitch. But right now, there's a couple things we need to fix. One, according to past Zach, if we go to our to-do here, we need to replace these with actual timer nodes because you can't pause. By default, you won't be able to type because you're working with sticky material and stuff. You're all good, dude. You're all good. Oh, yeah, of course. Let me actually set up the things and stuff that we need to have ready. Specifically, the first one is to have a focus timer going off by default. So we got a 30-minute Pomodoro timer up, making sure I can hear it, make sure the audio is available. We're good. It's ticking by default. That turns it off. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so what we need to do is we first need to add a couple timer nodes to this guy here. One being the work timer, one being the break timer. And then instead of these being normal scene tree timers, we just need to turn these into timers themselves. And I think by default, I should just be able to drag these in and I won't have to do like a crazy node path. Yep, rad. Perfect. All right, cool. So we got that set up. And now for the set of work timers here, we need to change this up right here where we have our work timer. Let's see. Fine. What we need to do is we need to do work timer dot start with the work time that we pass in times 60, and we just need to get break timer dot start. Man, I forgot. It's such a good track, dude. All right, cool. So now we got that all set up right here, and now for this get work timer. Oh yeah, on await. This is what we need to do. On, I think the main is actually directly controlling this right here. Let's just go to time manager and we'll just set up a basic phase. We're gonna say there is work session. It's going to be a bool, and by default it's equal to false, or let's say true. And we're gonna say work timer times 60 start, and then we wait the timeout. And then afterwards, we're gonna say is work session equal to false. There we go. So that changes properly. And if we go over to the main here, what we'll be able to do is we're gonna say if time manager, we don't need to check the value anymore. We just need to see if is work session. And then instead of an elif, we just need an else. And that should do it. So that should fix that. And then the other thing I needed to fix on here was our time date formatting, because at the very end it doesn't have, like, if we're going to seconds, it doesn't show us what's it called? It doesn't show us what the, it doesn't have a 0 at the end of the seconds. That was really weird, we were saying that. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say if let's see, this, we're gonna do a little double conversion. Hopefully this isn't like too terrible. There's probably a better way to do this, but for now this is all I can really think of. If string int len, can I just do, actually, okay. We're gonna say if len work timer dot 60 is equal, let's see, is greater than 1. Oh, missing another bracket. There we go. Okay, cool. That. And we're gonna do else. Same return statement. Except now what we're gonna do is we're gonna say it returns that. And we're gonna do the same thing for this guy as well. And the reason why we're doing this is because when it gets to a single digit, we don't get a little 0 in front of the timer for the seconds. And we just need to get that set up. So if it is that, cool, then else, all we're gonna do is just take this guy right here, and we're gonna put a 0 in front of the %d to just say, hey, this is how many seconds are left. And this should work. This triple conversion is kind of insane. But it's what we're working with here. Yep. Okay, cool. Now let's test this guy out. So let's say we wanted to last for like a minute. Now we just sit here and wait. Oh, gotta do the same thing for this one too, actually. Okay, I think I know what to do now. We need a... double minute format. We need a various just straight up %d. And we need to get a var single digit format. Let's go to 0%d. There we go. So what we're gonna put here is we're gonna say final. To time string is equal to a string type, and then at the end of it, we want to return time string. Then here, what we want to do is we want to say if. Can you just article. It's gonna break a lot of things, but what we could do is we could just take like like that, or take time left and be a float. And then what we need to do is to say, or no, have it be an int, so it has to be converted. No, let's just keep it as a float. So where rounded time is equal to int of time left. So we can get that. There we go. All that, because what we need to do is we're doing an int conversion, but why do the double int conversion if we could just do that? And what we need to say is if len of str of time left divided by 60 equals 1. Then time string oh shoot. Oh, that's just the auto white space. I forgot Godot did that by default. Well, if we're having the double digit format, so this is check for seconds, so what we can do is we can say len string So if this is saying like if it is a single digit, then what we want to do is we want to do this single digit format. So we want to say time string plus equals single digit format percent don't need to do the conversion again. I could just do this. There we go. And can I just do like another plus where I just add the semicolon in there and it won't figure out? I can. Len string. Oh, forgot it. Is that too many parentheses or is this not enough parentheses? Oh, wrong one. Parentheses doesn't need to be out here. It needs to be in here. There we go. So there, that does that. And then we just need to add an else to that. So if it's not, then it'll just be time string plus equals this whole thing. And then we'll have it be the double digit format. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the, what's it called? Ridiculous coding for now. It's too early in the morning for this nonsense. So then we get, oh, look at that. Get work times. Is that like saying it's a return function? Cool, it is. Okay. Here, let me just double check something real quick, y'all. I just want to make sure that that's actually running, because it happens every once in a while. So that's pretty simple for the dates. That's the minutes, and we'll say if. Let's see, what's the next part? Basically, we just have to do this, but instead of taking that, we take the modulo instead. Hey, what's good, Sid? Glad to hear your teammates are being nicer to you now, man. Let's see. Operation for float. It's time left. Oh, to float. Oh, it needs to be rounded time. That's what it is. There we go. There we go. Okay, so this one says if we rounded time divided by 1, if rounded time divided by 60 gives us a single digit, then what we want to do is we want to do the format. We do a single digit format, which contains a 0 on top of that. With that equipped, and if it doesn't, let's see. I'll put right here. Checking for the, let's see. Minute setup, checking for the second setup. Okay, and did I? Okay, this one will leave alone because this should be solid. We'll just have to do the check for both. Maybe not having this though, so it's not like redeclaring every single time. Time string does need to be changed though every single time though. I'll go trust that now. Okay, that's a full crash. Oh, that's why. Good time format, I think is just what it's called now, right? I did call it get work time format. We should just call it good time format. There we go. And let's say we want time manager that gets several timer. Time left. And then for you, I want it to be break time. No time left. Okay. Oh, whoops, I forgot to change it. Okay, 1 minute. We're getting the 0-0 format, which is already a good sign. No, I've been only today like I played that good. Imagine switching attitude in 10 minutes. And kids are like that, man. Glad to hear that things are going better though for you in that aspect of it. Now we gotta wait a full 40 seconds to make sure this works. And if it does, we can just assume the same thing for the break duration and it will be good to go. And now we can actually set it so we can change it to be a pause functionality if we're actively working. Just waiting. Yo, what's up, Seth? What's up? Hey, I'm a genius. It worked. All right, cool. Then if this really does work, it should switch over to break mode, and we should get a 15-minute timer. No. Sweet, it does work. Let's see. Go over to GitHub. I can't believe I didn't open this. I always forget to open like at least 2 softwares. Let's see. Pomodoro timer setup. Now switches to work between work and break modes, and formats the time left correctly. Good with that going on there. Rad. You're officially trilingual now? Oh snap, you finished learning Turkish? That was fast. Let's see. Okay, so what's left on our timing task? Make a timer setup. Once again, let's display what session the player is. Let's switch between work and break modes when the timer exits. Done. Okay, the next thing to do, task categorizing. Drop down to select if the player is doing work, rest. Ooh, crap. Logic to switch scenes automatically based on what task the player switches to. Interesting. Okay, and sound effects or different music track to contextualize activity. So let's start with that first one, which is the drop down for if we're doing work, chores, or chilling, right? Work, rest, or chores. So this is going to make this a little more, let's see. Let's call this one the timer control button, actually. Yeah, we'll keep this timer start button. So this is going to make this one a little more compact. So it's going to drop down the... Where is it? Container? Not text edit. Separator, we don't want that. Number, rich text edit? No. Tab bar, where is it? This button, texture, tree button. Oh, box containers. Separator, range, spin box, no. Alright, oh, time to go through every single one just to see what we got here. Flow container, graph elements, split container, nope. Buttons, checkbox, menu button, there it is, or option button. Oh, hold on now. This one I think might be something I've been looking for. Whoa. What does this even do? Brings up a pop-up menu and clicks. Options. So toolbars and context menus. So pop-up menu. Cool. Cool. Oh, cool. All right, cool. So could I take this? So this is under transform size. So if I go over here to okay. So could I just like, can I move all these things into there? Or instead of doing all that nonsense, because this only has this, and I got rid of this, could I change this type to be a pop-up panel? Okay, where'd you go? Cool. Put that under the menu button. Put our menu button to be centered to the top of the screen, like that. With a small margin going down, like this. Don't do all that, just that. So if I do that, and look at our menu button, looking at our layout. Okay, that didn't do anything. Whoa, okay. We'll come back to this later. We'll work on that later. We'll turn this all into a nice pop-up in a bit, but for now, in the interest of just making sure everything works. God. There we go. Won't do anything new with that. Let's see, yeah, and it's just making everything work. We'll just add one more option to this guy here. Let's get another spacer, put that below you. Then inside the timer box, let's add a options menu. Options button. There we go. That goes below spacer 3 as a child of that. Oh, it needs to be a child of the H box. There we go. Cool. Whoa, okay. Now I gotta increase the space available on our little menu that we have here. Cool. Cool. I'm gonna move you to here then, and I'm gonna take our session stuff here and move it right here. Like that. And then for our option button here, items. Work. Add an element. Chores. Another one. Rest. There we go. Fit the longest item selected would be 0, then -1. There we go. Okay. Sweet. Whoa. Let's see. What's good, Lewis? How you doing? Oh, you learned Farsi? Good stuff, man. Which is a language in Iran, basically Iranian. That's pretty cool, man. Being trilingual at such a young age, or trilingual in general, is just impressive. But I see you over there, Lewis. What's good? How you doing, man? So I'll just go above here and put this here. Actually, being there's better. Talk to the composer now. You want to finish your game even more? Wow. Okay, that is motivation right there. How'd that go? You got yourself a soundtrack right now? What's wrong here? There we go. Just looks slightly awful. I'm working too much. I need to stop looking at that. We're not working on that anymore. You also know how to hire the London Orchestra? Oh, sweet. Tell me how to do that so I can steal it from you. No soundtrack stuff, just laid out the turf. That's still huge. Tell me if you can give me the London Orchestra to compose me a lo-fi track. That'd be sick. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to get this option button. This would be the oh. Let's see what went wrong here. There we go. There we go. Now I can breathe. Session selector. There we go. The loan reverse probably costs $10,000 per hour. Bold of you to assume I don't know how to rob a bank. Okay, so this is what we need to do for this part. We just need to make sure the session selector see signals to Scott. Oh yeah, Lewis, you've been trying out Godot 4.3? It's actually cracked, dude. This is insane. I think 5 languages is enough. 5 languages is more than enough, my guy. That's a lot. Yeah, I forgot. This is how it is. Item selected, item focused. Minimum current items don't change by user focused. Okay. You're working Godot 5.3? Okay, it's not a contest. God. Yeah, I don't like how much I'm just like directly handling this by the main. I'm gonna have to refactor this later. But why fix that now? I'm selected. Here we go. This is for switching the rooms. This should be in that region. There we go. On time button press. Cool. That's good to go. Wait. Where's they just messing with stuff? Ah, here. Yes, in the physics process. Cool. So on session selector, what we want to do is we want to say. What we want to do is we want to get a reference to our session selector. So we'll put that in here and check this out. Make this unique. And with the power of computing. Yay! Typecasting by default. You gotta love it. Good. We're gonna have a match statement for option button. We're gonna do session selector. Dot items. Case that is work. Pass. Chores. Oh, that's our timer. Let me add a pass statement and back up the code before we continue on. Let's see. Work in progress. Timer improvements. Adding the selector. Oh, I forgot. I did not forget to actually respect my own time. Adding selector for, let's see, what task the player will be engaging in. Boop. Yeah, okay. What do you mean? I feel dumb because you forgot. Oh, we're no longer scared of playing project. That's what's up. I feel dumb because you forgot how collisions work. How does region work though? You'll learn Spanish and probably Turkish after. Okay, that's yeah. No, those are good languages. Maybe add Mandarin in there if you haven't already learned that. What do you mean like region? Like the nav regions? Or like regions for collisions? Because there is no physics in this game so far. Oh yeah, I forgot. I have my base set up. So while we do our little time in between here. Oh, region on line 35. Oh, it's this really cool thing to do where like basically it's a way for you to organize your code. So if I had like a block of code like this, I could just highlight it what I wanted to condense. Come on. There we go. And you can right click and you can say create code region. And what it does is it basically has the same functionality as like collapsing a function, but you can just collapse code. It was hilarious. I was this is one of the features I wanted for a while because other IDEs had this. Even like Blueprints had it. And let's see. I ended up hiding all this in a function. Yeah, no. Rock bass. But this is like one of the features I wanted in like Godot for a while, and I love in like game engines, or like I think it was like specifically Unity and a little bit before Godot 4.0 drop. Every time I asked for something like, oh yeah, I want autosave because you know that'd be nice to have. Godot has autosave built in, by the way. Or it's like I want code regions. Anytime there's not a feature, people are just like, actually, you should just be a better coder. Remember to Control S or just like have organized code, and it's just like, shut up, dude. Just shut up. It's like, I want a basic feature. Don't make fun of me for it. And now we got it. And now who's laughing? Me! You guys are listening to me too. You guys are listening to me bastardize a really good song right now. In this project, I try to keep things more modular. That's definitely a way to go. Like right now, everything is broken up into one massive main scene, which isn't great. So when I get to the point where I'm like, man, I need to refactor this. Oh, looking at the wrong screen. I will change it. Creating components for health, her boxes and hip. Yeah, no, that's actually the way to go. That's 1000% the way to go, dude. There it is. Let's see. Half your family is monolingual, half bilingual, meanwhile me trilingual. That's pretty dope, dude. You hope you can go back to focus mode. I really hope I can get 9 to 10 p.m. sleep, 5 to 6 a.m. with rhythm again. Yeah, it's gonna take a lot of practice, but I mean, just thinking about it is the way to go. I'm wishing the best for you, man, because mine is also very screwed up. Caffeine is the only way I'm surviving right now. Caffeine and music! I don't know how to play the bass. I need to wake up early so you can continue day, otherwise you're too tired after work. Yeah, no, I get that feeling. Honestly, yeah, no, I'm trying not to be like so much of a helper as much as I used to, because like, I'm trying to get better like listening instead of solutionizing. Oh, that's the timer. For me, honestly, streaming has been like the biggest thing that's helped me out, or just like making videos. It keeps me on task, and it's like I actually have to do this kind of thing, you know? Alright, let's see, dev soon. So what we need to do is we need just a way to set up switching between different areas. So we're gonna make session rest. Oh, is it 8 p.m.? Yeah, this is practice, dude. I think like once I got to the point where I was like, once I got to the point where I was like, you know, I just want to do this. Or at least, honestly, you guys just like popping in made this a lot easier for me to be consistent. Because it's like, if I don't get this done, I'm just not going to get it done. So especially like with brain being my brain, it helps out other people just hop in. Was that the entire track? It was. Here, this is what I get for not setting up perpetual music. There we go. Ooh. Love Zelda and she'll do. Okay. Okay, so now we just need to wait for it to say if we're, let's see, print. Oh, shoot. Let's see if that works. Yes, I didn't mean to type chorsing, by the way, before anyone says anything. That's not their intention. You're planning on being pentalingual. I think. Did you? Yeah. That's pretty cool. Let's see. Get letter, item count, items, get item ID, get item index. No, let's get item text. Oh, okay. There we go. Run it! Perfect. Set that up like that, session selector like that, boom, 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 boom. Can I get like, too bad I can't get like a default. I'm hoping that yeah. There you go. Go. So as we got a little drop down for that. Gonna start winding down now. Good luck to your brother, by the way. Is that oh shoot. Alright. Take it easy, man. Hopefully your schedule gets back on track. Sorry, brain was just not burning right there. You're trolling with that last word, senor? No, you're just already speaking Spanish, man. So let's see what the session work. And what we need to do is we need to active session. Should I make this like a public email? No, I'll just do this normally. Gotta convert this to be a string then though. Whatever. Let's make a var active session. It's equal to type string name. Equal to nothing by default, so I'm gonna put like work. Session is equal to, I think it's ampersand work. There we go. So this allows us to just switch things easily. I'm not sure if this actually matters, but if it does... guess I could just call each of these two. This is like kind of a dumb thing, but call didn't work. What rooms do we have access to here? We have sandbox, room, and shore. Sandbox button pressed. Shore button pressed. And we have on room button pressed for relaxing, like that. How many languages do I know? Just one. I can kind of read Spanish. But, yeah, only know English. Let's see. It'd be cool to learn Spanish, though. I was just get, like, sidetracked, though, and I learned something else. Like, I randomly switched to be like, oh, yeah, I want to learn Japanese today. I definitely don't need this to be a string now. We can make it a string. I don't know if doing this changes it to be like that. Session. Let's do like %s. % session. Oh, shoot. That's why I had that. Okay, no, this makes more sense now. Basically, we just want to get rid of these. Oh, shoot. There we go. Session, we don't need this part either anymore. We just want to change shit based on that. That one, just make sure it's that. Okay. Okay, that's good. This is being updated every second. It shouldn't be. It should be updated here. Also being updated every second. Really don't want that to happen. Okay. You recommend learning Spanish? No, if I can get around to it, I'll try it. I usually try to learn too many things at once. So right now I'm just hard focusing on I'm hard focusing on just trying to get good at like one thing at a time. Okay, that works. There we go. Okay, I think that's that. Now we have drop down select players doing rest of chores, logic switching, yep. Sound effects or different music tracks, contextualize activity. Okay, cool. So this is gonna be kind of the fun thing now. We get to mess around with the new audio listener and morphing between different things. So, it's really cool. And YouTube vids if you want more. I have a bunch of friends that actually speak fluent Spanish. Maybe I'll just force one of them to talk to me. Okay, there we go. Is that just gonna happen for every delta? Screen debugger is declared but never explicitly used in this class. Oh yeah, that's fine. Because this is just a signal bus. Okay, let's back this up, then we'll look for just 3 music tracks we can use. Let's see. Added scene switching based on timer. Now player scene switches depending on what task they decided on starting. There we go. Cool. So now that's all set up. The thing we want to do. Yeah, we're getting just a few music tracks. So I think if I'm not incorrect, if using it to get my family to speak Arabic, Farsi, and English, you speak all 3, the rest speak 2 or 1. That's impressive. To have so many multilingual members in your family. Is it this computer that I have? Because I should have like this exact track installed. Why do you want to put them there? I have one of them. Yeah, here we go, Poke and Chill. Did I not? I feel like I extracted this somewhere. Go. Yeah, I knew I did. Alright, cool. Cool. Alright, let's get this in here. Sound and music. Make this purple. Make hook intro tracks. Test tracks. So I'm just gonna get a couple ones. There we go. Sweet. Okay, we got the songs in. It's like how you learned it. How I learned to like Berserk in a week. Read the entirety of Berserk in a week. As a Spanish speaker, Japanese to Spanish, Japanese makes almost anything sound cool. I do like how Japanese sounds actually, like consonant-wise. At least compared to when I was learning Mandarin, it was a lot. It made more sense to me, I guess. It's like when you like if you watch that video where like someone tells, where that guy tells you how to learn Korean, it's like it kind of makes sense, at least for my brain. Okay, so now we're gonna try out the new. Let's see. Now we're gonna try out the new audios things they have. So they got audio stream players, and they also have audio stream players 3D. We don't want these because this plays it in 3D space. We simply want an audio stream player. And it says we got, this is the one we want. So there's a bunch of new streams. So they got the new audio stream playlist, working at the back-to-back. We got interactive, which allows us to make, ooh, audio stream microphone. So this like takes, oh, cool. Audio stream randomizer, audio stream generator for procedural sounds. Cool. Polyphonic. Stars how to do it, okay. So we just want the audio stream playlist, because what this is going to allow us to do is get 3 playlists. Can I just do this? Like, if I select all 3, can I just... No, that would've been too cool. Alright. That's the Gruta Valley track. It's a really good one. So these don't necessarily matter outside of... let's see. This doesn't hear from Node. It doesn't hear from Node. Cool. So we can use the process and stuff like that. So I'm gonna call this one the music manager. And I'm gonna give it a script, music manager GD, put it under the scripts folder here. Boop. Boop. Use berserk, okay. As an adjective, you will not effing read it. That's fair. Yeah, berserk is kind of extremely dark. I don't think you should read it anyway. No hate to Berserk or the author, rest in peace of Berserk. I just do not think it's appropriate for someone who is under the age of 18. Okay, cool. So for our audio stream player, I think it allows us to, or at least when I was looking at it, we can change the fade. Alright, fade time, here we go. We have looping on there too, 0.3 seconds on the fade. So what we want to do now is we want a way to talk to this thing here where it changes our tracks for us automatically. So if I go over to my signal bus here, it'll be signal change work environment or work session. And it passes an int, which is it's gonna pass in a session ID, which is an int. And the reason why we're doing this, actually no, hold up. Session, it's gonna be a string name. There we go. So what this is gonna do is whenever we actually start the timer, it's gonna talk to the music manager. Ready. Wow, can't believe I forgot that. We're gonna say funk change track. Let's go pass in there. Ready. What we're gonna do is we're gonna say signal bus dot change work session dot connect to change track. And what we're gonna do for this, we're gonna have a match statement. Oh, change track. I'm gonna put like a session as a string name. Boop. And we're gonna match session to the following. I'm gonna say one is going to be work. One is going to be chores. And one is going to be rest. And then pass, and for the final one, like that. Cool. Now what we're gonna do is we're going to say, let's see, play. Oh, maybe there's something else we need to know before we continue here. Because audio stream runs a playlist, so I'm wondering if we need to just get something specific out of it, or we'll just be able to easily swap. How to play stream playing. Play from position. Is this gonna change to? Okay, we don't want that. I think we need to mess with is the audio stream player, audio stream resource, because we need the audio stream playlist. Here we go. Get PPM, fade time, loop, shuffle, stream count, set list stream. Here we go. Returns to BPM. Okay, set list stream, sets the stream playback at, let's see, audio stream. Sets the stream at playback, so playback index. Do we have to do this by default, or is it just gonna know? And this inherits from. Okay, we're just gonna see if this works here. Let's say stream dot. Oh, let's make my life really easy here and actually don't want to be traumatized. Yeah, no, don't do it. Never read that crap. Okay, crap is a bold statement, but yeah, just it's not worth being traumatized. On ready, work playlist. Is an audio stream playlist. And that's equal to stream. And I just, yeah, okay, go stream. Cool, it's a setter getter, blah, blah, blah. And then we're gonna say stream.play. No. Hold up. We're gonna figure this out. Get list stream, set list stream. This is what I believe we want. Set list stream. Alright, come on. Our audio stream is set stream. Okay, hold up. Oh, wait, hold up. Oh gosh, I should playlist. So streams and plays them back like a playlist. I just want to be like, you get the favorite horror game. Probably Still Wakes the Deep. That's the only one I've ever really beat, and it gave me like a pretty decent sense of dread. So stream a playback position index. Okay, so I think so it is just straight up set list stream. This is under the playlists. So just say 0. And this is 1, and then this should be 2. And making sure it doesn't autoplay, because that's really important that it doesn't do that. Autoplay is off, playing is off, and then let's just say play. Oh. We'll just call play at the very end then. Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna plus that, then it's at the work session. So if we go back to our main node here, grab its scripts. So whenever we click the start button, what we want to do is we want to say signal bus dot change work session dot emit and pass in whatever our active session is. Cool. All right. So I'm gonna quickly pause the music wherever I put that sub window. Boom. That minimize, and we're gonna try this out. Okay, in base stream expected 2 arguments. Okay, cool. So this is, at least we're getting something where it's like it knew where it's supposed to be. Audio stream, stream index 0, audio stream, audio stream. So it is setting list stream. Oh, this is just like straight up sets the stream at playback position index. So stream index 0, when I just returns the stream at playback position 0. Okay. Stream count, shuffle, loop, get fade. Maybe playback isn't what we want, but okay. That timer 2. Here, maybe I need to, let's look at the, can I get the browser version of it? No. Let's go to the docs real quick, see what we got. Audition place, here we go. Audition that includes substreams. And place them back like a playlist. Maximum amount of stream, fade time, loop, shuffle, stream count. Get BPM, get list stream, returns the stream at playback position 0, set list stream, sets the stream at playback position index. So if I like, can I just like get the streams out of it? Just gets it from audio streams, so. Run this. Your name is safe and you don't speak Spanish. Got you. You need to charge your phone, you come back to the episode streaming? Alright, for sure, John Luca, take it easy. Should be on for a little bit longer. Okay. So at least it knows that. Yeah, no. I don't know that. Okay, so at least we got that going on. Stream play, autoplay, max, bus. What's this right here? Maximum number of sounds to select play. The true shuffle each time the playback is started. Streams. Fade time between streams. How do I just like straight up play a stream then? Because like by default we have auto stream player and then we can just run it on play. Set stream value setter getter. Sets property stops the current empty. Stream paused. Pause or do that. Volume DB. Get playback position. Returns to playback position. Audition position 0 if no sounds are playing. Get stream playback. Has stream playback. Player from the beginning. Seek. Restarts all sounds to position. Okay, cool. So I want to assume that for this playlist right here, we got our properties, which is like. Place them back on the playlist. Maybe this isn't what we want to do, honestly. We have a stream randomizer. Can we like just straight up new audio stream? I don't think we want that though. Audio stream generators, audio stream files. Do I need an audio stream interactive? Okay, let's try that out. Said, hi, I'm saving to speak Turkish goodbye. Oh, first off, did not know Turkish looked like that. And are you actually piecing out? Because if you are, take it easy, dude. If not, thanks for teaching me some Turkish right there. Okay, so let's see if we can directly correlate these streams here. So we have like the work session, then we have the chore session. And then we have the rest session. And let's just make sure that's 1-to-1. Yeah, cool. So then we can edit the transitions between them. Okay. Okay. There we go. Okay. Beats with this. Okay. Oh. Okay. From any clip to any clip, we want to go from immediate to same position within the clip. The clip start. There we go. Hold previous? I have no idea what that is. Okay. So that was set up for the transitions. Then here, it's not an audio stream playlist anymore. It's a audio stream interactive. Okay. Clip count, initial clip 0. Initial clip should be 0. Cool. Get transition fade. Add transition. We don't want to do that. Set clip stream. Has transition. We don't want transition to time. Is there void? Erase transition, add transition. No, we reset that up. Fade, no audio stream, get clip stream, end stream, yeah. Get transition to has transition, add transition, nope. As transition between two clips provides the indices of the source and destination clips. We use clip any to indicate the transition. Okay, we already got the transition. Return the clip towards which clip is referenced by a string name. Get clip. Fade now. Return mode for transition. Get transition time. We don't want that. Can playback music combine clips and transition. Clips must be added first and transition rules via the transition. Additionally, the stream export property parameter to control playback via the audio stream player. Oh. Is that the same for the playlist too, actually? Hold up. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Let's do that. Do that. Do that. Playlist. Playback type. Stream. Parameters switch the clip. Okay. Guessing this is what we wanted. So if I go here to our music manager here, uncomment all of this here. I guess we don't need to reference this anymore. Can I just do switch to, nope. Oh no, that's what we won't do. Playlist. Oh. Oh. Stream playback. Dude, okay, hold on. This is what? Okay, how do I use this? Can I just drag this in? No, it's gonna give me that. Okay, maybe there's something on the. Let's actually look at how to do this right here. Here we go. Click out. Nope, I'm just gonna change it here. That was called, just switch the clip. There's no switch the clip, dude. Should like a set property. Oh. What's this? Skip property list. have way too much stuff open right now. God. Dude, it's like, look, switch the clip doesn't exist. Okay, let's see if anyone figure out how to use it now. Okay, good. Audio, stream, interactive, switch clip. 2 hours? God, okay. It's just trying to switch the clips? I knew it. Okay, so this is okay. What am I missing here? Okay, did this like just change? Okay, audio stream player that get stream playback. That okay, let's try that out. So it was get stream playback dot switch the clip by name. Okay, what is this? Returns to latest audio stream playback. Track this node. Usually most recently played audio stream playback. Get some playback. Get loop. Get parameter. Is playing. Is mix. Seek subparameter. Is it this? Okay. Go. Okay, if it doesn't crash, that's a start.
What do you mean?
Get stream playback. Is it because there's no playback going on right now? Okay. The last thing to try here is going to interact. So initial clip. Let's just set it to be clip 2, like that. Let's pause the music real quick. See what we can get going on here. Got a full crash again. Set parameter on null instance. Okay, so dude, returns mostly created by play. If no sounds are playing, this method fails and returns an empty. Okay, cool. So is this playing any music to start? It's not. I guess that's the first issue we're having here. It's got to play on. Why not? Nothing starts. Okay, cool. So we go to music manager here. Clip 2 is our initial clip. Oh my god, I didn't set anything for the clips, dude. Holy crap, holy. Of course. It all makes sense now. Alright, so you here, you here, you here. Let's see if it just straight plays the thing. My ears. Okay. Set parameter. Yeah, I have a feeling. Is it just get stream playback? Just have that set. Property. Okay. Value variant 2. Session. Okay. So we can get rid of this here. Get rid of this here. It'll just freak out if it doesn't know anything, which is fine. So its default to be, let's see. It's the default to be rest, okay. Whoa, what did I just do? Okay. Did I set the exact same thing for each of these files here? This one is Azalea Town. This one is National Park. This one is that. Okay, cool. So.
Why?
Okay, so if we have switch to clip chores and I run it, what's it gonna sound like? Okay, now, can I also just say set property string that, oh my god. Oh my god, it was built in like that. We're doing something, folks. Yeah, it's quiet. Okay, we're getting somewhere. We are getting somewhere. Holy crap-a-moly. Let's see. Just gotta make sure that all of these are different. Yep. Let's check out the transitions to make sure they're all set up properly. Yep. Oh, wait. So we got the any clip right here. Do I have to using any clip all clips? because I think that's set up by default. Fade mode automatic. Immediate transition from that. So it's kind of derpy because it's going straight from rest back up. So we're just gonna see if this works here. Gotta work. Okay, so it's going through, I think, or is its default? Did I set anything up here? I set it to, no, I don't want it to be anything. Can I like alt select this? Can I reset this? I'm gonna switch the clip session. Okay, it just says work as its default always. So if I set it to like that, it's gonna just be like, okay, why does it want to play two things at once? Any clip to any clip, media to start. Make it fade in. Filler clip disabled. Oh, okay, cool. That changed. That fixed it. And can I set like the fade beats to like 0.5? No, can't do that. Oh, I can. Someone downstairs, you go Charger, saw family chatting. Just have fun. Charger came to tell you this. Hey, that's what's up, man. I'm glad you're getting out more. It's good. No, just straight up do that. 0.5. Can I like confirm that? Okay, so I can't do like a quarter of a beat, but I can do 0 beats. Let's see if that just does it better. Perfect. All right, cool. We got it. Sound effects or different music tracks contextualize the activity. Done and done, son. All right, I'm gonna take a break to get some food. Let's see. Added music tracks for when player switches. Let's see. 2 o'clock. Now plays poke and chill when depending on the chosen task. Focus tab. Boop. Done. Cool. Okay, so that makes it a lot easier to do that. It's gonna take a bit because we're in doing this. Will I game the stream? Probably not. You don't have to apologize for leaving suddenly. You're good, dude. If I stream again later tonight, maybe. Maybe CrossFit would actually be better. We'll try that out later. Yeah, we might game later tonight if I want to do a secondary stream. But for now, no plans to stream. I mean, no plans to game. Extra shots, ability to have timer loop for multiple work break sessions, ability to select a music track, ability to select alarm sounds from work and break sessions. Okay. That's a lot. Okay, I'm gonna go get some food real quick. Last stream I promised me. I gamed last night. I said we were gaming at the stream last night. We did that. Here, I'm gonna get some food. I'll be right back. No, I'm not in Canada. I was eating some food. I've completed eating my food though. So now we're back to it. Excuse me. All right. So, extra sauce. So the ability to have the timer loop for multiple work and break sessions. That's gonna be pretty straightforward. Ba-na-na-na. Let's see. Let's see. Should be under this guy here. Spin box, this was called. Boop. Whoa. Oh yeah, I forgot. I made one of these. Okay. There you go. Oh, and hold up. Let me set up my timer. So, really? Like I stop tracking? Yeah. There we go. Okay, hold it. Think does it? Nah, she's gonna stay tracking me. Alright, hold up. I'm still here. Just don't want my camera following me across the room. Y'all seeing everything. Gotta set my own timer. There we go. Alright, cool. Now I got my phone charger set up. Now we can get back to it properly. Oh. Followed me anyway. There we go. Cool. So now what we need to do is we need to set up the break durations and fix everything to make sure that they make sense. This needs to say sessions. Oh crap. Okay, so we can just kind of divide how much they require in each area. Whoa. Whoa, crap. Alright. Yeah. That's what you need to do. That's annoying. What's up with the button? Now it's like, it's taking up so little space here. Is it? Oh, it's the H box. No, wait, it's not. What? Oh, that's trippy. Oh. There you go. Oh, I know what to do. Wait, what? Oh, there we go. Stretch ratio needs to be that, but the label stretch ratio needs to be this. Oh, no, okay. Okay, that's not changing anything either. Alright, we'll figure out what needs to be fixed there when we're done. For now, it will just be kind of derpy. Best sessions is 4. Cool. And what I can do now is I can set it up to loop that many times. And under, let's see. Oh yeah, I gotta make sure that this signal is set up to on our here. Session selector. Timer start button. Session settings. Is this signal? Okay, I don't think any of these actually take a signal, do they? I don't need all these. Man. Because it's just taking active session. It's timer start button, but this is just getting that from the session selector. Alright, cool. So I actually don't need to do anything for that. I think the same thing for the time too. Work time setting done by. Yeah, okay, rad. So we don't really have to do anything in particular for that. All we have to do then is go over back here to 2D. Go to our sessions and just make sure that when the timer button is starting. Let's go back into the script here, make sure that is. What? Okay. Session selector. Okay. Let's take you. Nope, not you. It's you. There we go. Oh crap. This isn't access for you. Name, put that there, cool. Do this. Do this. Perfect. Alright, cool. So now we got these session settings on top of that. So whenever we click set timers, boom, what we have to do is we have to take session settings, that value. There we go. So now what that will do is that will loop through how many sessions we have in total. And that means if we go over to the time manager, and takes this session through. And sessions. Oh. Arrange sessions. Injure. There we go. And hopefully this will work. Break timer. Timeout. It's gonna say new session. Should only run once. Perfect. Alright, cool. Now what I'm gonna do is, first off, can I just straight up minimize this and get my picture-in-picture? Nah. Hold up. Can I pop this out? Nah. Mini player? Hey, that's what we want. No, it is not. Okay. So for now, with this being set up, what we want to do is we want to go over here and just set our sections. Like this is gonna be 1 minute. This is gonna be 1 minute as well, and we want 2 sessions. And let's say work. And I'm quickly gonna pause the music. And we're going to run a work session. And we're gonna wait a full minute, boys, just to see if this works. So, how you guys doing? Back in the game? Did you just pass off a William Afton quote for yourself? Ooh, I like that. We're making a little productivity task thingy here. So after this one, if it just straight up runs and like it completes, then we're good. You don't need to test anything else out. What I do need to do though is set it so the UI scales properly. So after 30 seconds, if it goes immediately to a work session, we can assume this works. And then I'll just do some more testing outside of the stream just to see how it's going down. But for now, it's not too bad. What does that think? Oh, I just realized this is the wrong category. God, I was in the wrong Twitch category, dude. That's embarrassing. I was like, what's going on? You have similarities with William Afton? I don't think you want to say that. That's not great, dude. Okay, cool. It does work. We just want to change this out because here we go. Let's say is work session is equal to true, but the timer did restart, which is exactly what's supposed to happen. So we're good there. So that's that done. It was a joke. Alright, good. Because I was about to say, man, that is wild. Back to the music. So we got our sessions set up. Ability to select music track. We're not gonna do that now. We're actually gonna get this out of here. Ability to select alarm for work and break sessions. That's good. Let's just add, instead of that, we're just gonna add alarm for work and break sessions. There we go. We just want that now. And what's really cool is that once we have this done, we will actually have a little productivity tool we can use. Which is gonna be pretty sick. Weezer meme is dead. Weezer will never die! Alright, let's see. We don't need this anymore, actually, too, because I fixed this, which is exciting. Let's get some alarm sounds. Did I download that sound pack yesterday? I can't remember if I did. I did not. Okay. How long have we been streaming today? 2 minutes? 2 hours? It's getting a lot easier to stream for 2 hours now. We're getting somewhere, boys. We're actually we are growing as people. Okay, let's go to Open Game Art. And let's actually, does Kenny have any sound effects? They do. Neat. All right, let's try some of this stuff out. So we got musical jingles. Sick. We got digital audio. Not the band, but the meme of it. I knew what you were talking about. Never. Perfect. Gotta love Kenny. Okay, voiceover pack, casino audio, sci-fi sounds, interface sounds, maybe. Perfect. Someday. We'll donate someday. Gotta love it. All right, we're gonna extract all our sounds here, and we're just gonna grab a couple that we like. Boop. Okay, cool. Let's see. We got confirmation. Ooh, I like that. I don't know, my voice just cracked when I did that. Okay, we got test tracks. Let's get some alarm sounds. Thanks, Kenny. Boop. Neat. Boop. Put that in here. What do you mean I can't? Oh, wait. Wait, what? Oh, wait, that's why. I literally just had it. There we go. Put you in there. Nice. What's this one? Nice. Nope. Maybe. Nope. 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 Maybe. Kind of like that. Okay. Okay, I like that one. Boom. Let's get that one too. Okay. So now we got a couple of things. Let's get the music back on. I have this music manager. Can I get another one? Call this one sound effects manager. Or SFX manager, let's just call it that. Found the best song you ever listened to? Okay, okay. I have a feeling I know where this is going, but I'm curious. Some resources unique. Yerp. Wait. God, that scared me. I was like, what have I done? Should be very different things. Alright, cool. Cool. Okay, I'm seeing the follies in my decisions here. Okay, get the Pomodoro music, right? The Pomodoro alarms. What do for change track? Named Morno by Adriano Celentano. Send me a link to it on Discord. I'll check it out. Tracks. You want to get Pomodoro music dot set. Pomodoro. Music dot play. Cool. Then what we need to do is under the time manager and also the signal bus. Where's the signal? Pomodoro. Let's see. Session change. Text is work. Cool. Cool. And then here. Right here, actually. So, stat. Pomodoro session change. That connects. And we're gonna create another one here called font trigger Pomodoro alarm. It's gonna take is work. I say cool. Returns nothing. And now we're gonna set trigger Pomodoro alarm. There we go. We're gonna say if is work. See if we go to true. Then we're gonna say Pomodoro alarm dot set parameters slash switch clip. Switch to clip. Perfect. And we're gonna set int. I mean, this is a very stupid way of doing this. Is work. There we go. That's choice and Pomodoro alarm. So if is work. This one should be. Oh, you know, I just realized that. It doesn't take that, it takes a string. So we want this to be, if is work is equal to true, then we want work to be our thing, and then we want else, we want it to be rest. So rest for this one, we're gonna work for this one. Cool. And this should only trigger when the actual setup changes. So if we go over to our time manager, This is Delta session. Okay, so this updates every second, which we don't want it to do. So having this. Actually, probably better on the time manager. Or the timer manager here, we have the setup timers here, which loops it for that. So what we want to do is we want to say signal bus dot change. Probably session change. And what is it taking? It takes is work session. Work session. Oh. Dot init. Oh, it needs to be after the boolean is assigned. There we go. And there we go. Cool. All right. So with all this being done now, all right, I'll check it out. Oh, is it my focus? I'll check it out after we finish the stream. I think I'm gonna finish the stream by just trying to clear out. Yeah. After we do this, I think I want to stream there so I can take out my pup too. All right. Let's check this out. Let's try this out. So we got our. Let's set it to just one session. And let's set it to work. Oh, didn't play. Music manager. Oh, I just set it to play. Stop play. There we go. Let's try this out now. How much longer am I streaming Sakavinsky? As soon as I finish this. So if this works, I'm probably gonna cut it here. Then maybe come back later today. Yes. Oh, I forgot the timer's wrong. Can I just change it from here? You're not supposed to be able to use it. There we go. So now we just wait the full minute, and once this is done, it should switch us over to the next portion of our stuff here. This is a vibe. This whole thing's a vibe right now, dude. I forgot to change the break duration. I mean, we know it works if it goes to the work thing. Call anyone like that online who's not feeling like friend. Oh, that's sweet. Thanks, Sif. I'm honored. And that's a nickname someone has not called me yet, actually. Yes! Okay, it works. That's so hype, dude. All right, cool. Done. And that is actually stage 1 pre-alpha. Boop. We've done it, boys. Layout should be list format to show a completed task list. Playing this sound here. Sick, dude. All right, cool. Can I highlight this too? Cool. All right, rad. Okay, so let's back this up. Added alarms to tell player Pomodoro phases. Whew. Cool. Okay, everything is backed up properly. We're good to go on that front, there and there. So tomorrow's, wait, is today Friday actually? Oh, today is Friday. Okay, wow. So I guess next week's stream will be, this is a perfect time actually. We started this, oh, the checkpoint was literally September 15th. Okay, that didn't take us nearly enough time. I'll listen to it. I can't listen to any copyrighted music on stream. And I realize I might be breaking that rule by just listening to this. But that's going to do it for today. So, as per usual, let's end our stream with a thank you. Huge thanks going down, actually, hold on. Huge thanks to Safe for being the one and only YouTube community member today. Good to see you, dude. Good to see you. Hope the language learning and soccer continues to go well. On the Twitch side of things, special thanks to Gianluca for hopping in the stream, asking your good questions as per usual. Hopefully you got your phone charged. W stream, thank you. Appreciate that. And a special thanks to Lewis Does Games. Hopefully you keep that inspiration going. Good on you for talking to a composer, man. That's huge. And hope you get your sleeping schedule and work schedule back on track. But either way, guys, that is going to do it for today. I guess safer, super sweet. Thank you. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today, though. It is Friday, so I hope you have a fantastic weekend. I will see you at the same time usual Monday. Or if we do a little evening stream tonight, we might keep an eye out for that around 6 p.m. PST. I'll post on Twitter if that's happening. But either way, pretty good start to the week, actually. Like, we kind of killed it this time. We got a little productivity tool now, so we can actually have an on-screen Pomodoro timer that we made. So that's pretty sick. Either way, guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a fantastic weekend, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace.